Definition of law in general terms can be quite hard to pin down. The general gist of it is that the law more or less is a system of rules that are enforced through social institutions like parliament or the courts to govern behaviour. Legal systems around the world vary greatly, but they usually follow civil law or common law. In common law, past judicial rulings are used to decide cases at hand. Under civil law, codified statutes, or simply put, laws passed by government and ordinances rule the land. Civil law has been dated back to the Romans in 600 BC and is older than common law, which has been around since early English monarchies, where courts began collecting and publishing legal decisions. In civil law countries, the judge is usually the main investigator, and the lawyer's role is to advise a client on legal proceedings, write legal pleadings, and help provide favourable evidence to the investigative judge. In common law, the judge often acts as a referee, as two lawyers argue their side of the case. Generally, the judges and sometimes a jury listen to both sides to come to a conclusion about the case. South America, China, Japan, Germany, France and Spain are some of the countries which use civil law, whereas the US, Canada, England, India and Australia are some of the countries which use common law.